morning to everyone. My name is D. Swaruparani. I am Government Degree College. So our topic is directional derivative. So today we discuss about directional derivative. So yesterday previous class we learned about the topic is unit normal vector. So what is unit normal vector and what is it is denoted by? So it is denoted by n. So that is unit normal vector. So yesterday we learned about the unit normal vector. So what is unit normal vector? So unit normal vector is denoted by n and it is del pi by mod del pi, unit normal vector. This is, and some problems is solved yesterday class. So today we discuss about we solve the problems on directional derivative. Directional derivative. Directional derivative. So here direction. So one direction is there. Suppose. So here unit vector. So unit vector. Suppose A is equals A1I plus A2J plus A3K. Then unit vector of A is A1I plus A2J plus A3K by under root of A1 square plus A2 square plus A3 square. This is the unit vector of A. So here directional derivative, the formula is grad f dot u. Here u is the unit vector. So in the direction of u, so that is u by under root of more or less, that is under root of the value. So one problem is solved on the directional derivative. So first one, find the directional problem. So find the directional derivative of directional derivative of f of x comma y comma z is equal x square plus y square plus z square at 1 comma 2 comma 3 is the point in the direction of the vector. In the direction of the vector, here vector is given, that is 2i plus 3j plus 6k. So this is our problem. So what? Find the directional derivative of f, that is x square plus y square plus z square at 1 comma 2 comma 3 is the point in the direction. Here direction is given. The direction of the vector is 2i plus 3j plus 6k. So now solution. Here given that f is equal to, or f of x, y, z is equal x square plus y square plus z square, and point, suppose t, x comma y comma z is equal, what here given, 1 comma 2 comma 3. So directional vector or direction vector, what the direction vector? Here direction vector is 2i plus 3j plus 6k. This is the direction vector. The gradient of scalar point function, the gradient of scalar point function f of x, y, z is grad f. So first we find grad f. So grad f is equals I dou f by dou x plus j dou f by dou y plus k dou f by dou z. First find the value of grad f. Here f is equal to what? X square plus y square plus z square. So write down in place of f x square plus y square plus z square. So grad f is equal to I dou f by dou x plus j dou f by dou y plus k dou f by dou z. That is equal to I dou by dou x of, so f is what? X square plus y square plus z square. So x square plus y square plus z square plus j dou by dou y of x square plus y square plus z square plus k dou by dou z of x square plus y square plus z square. Find this value. So this is equal to I with respect to x. This one is 2x, remaining is 0, plus j, this is 2y, plus k, this is 2z. So that is, here grad f is equal to 2xi plus 2yj plus 2zk. This is the value of grad f. Then what we find? Unit vector. So that is u. U is equal. So what the direction vector? So that is direction vector is 2i plus 3j plus 6k. So here grad f is equal to 2xi plus 2yj plus 2j. So at the point 1, 2, 3. So at the point 1, 2, 3, that is equal to into here x is 1. I plus 2 into y is 2, j plus 2z is 3, k. So that is equal to I plus 4j plus 6k. So in direction, so here direction vector is what? 2i plus 3j plus 6k. So now we find unit vector. So unit vector u is equal, here direction vector 2i plus 3j plus 6k. So that is under root of 2 square plus 3 square plus 6 square. So that is equal to 2i plus 3j plus 6k by 4 plus 9 plus 36. So that is equal, this is same as, so this is root 49. So that is root 49 means 7. So unit vector u is equal to 2i plus 3j plus 6k by 7. This is the unit vector. So then directional derivative of f. So therefore the directional derivative of f in the direction of 2i plus 3j plus 6k, that is equal grad f dot u. This is equal, so grad f, what we get grad f, that is 2i plus 4j plus 6k dot u. U, what we get u? 2i plus 3j plus 6k by 7. So I dot I, this is the dot product. So we know dot product I dot I, j dot j, k dot k is 1 and remaining I dot j, I dot k something over 0. So now we get, so what is equal here? 2 into 2, 4 plus 4 into 3, 12 plus 6 into 6, 36 by 7. So how much the value? 52. So 52 by 7. So this is the directional derivative. So therefore directional is 52/7. This is our answer. Okay. Okay. Let us continue the other problem. Okay. Next, find the directional derivative of the scalar field. Find the directional derivative of scalar field f. Scalar field f is equal 2x plus y plus z square in the direction of the vector, in the direction of the vector 1 comma 1 comma 1 and evaluate at the origin. So here our problem is find the directional derivative of scalar field f is equal to 2x plus y plus z square in the direction of the vector. Here direction vector is 1 1 1, that is I plus j plus k, and evaluate at the origin. So first let us, here given scalar field is solution, given scalar field is f is equal to what we given 2x plus 1 plus z square, and gradient of scalar field f of xyz is gradient of scalar field f of xyz is grad f. So grad f means I dou f by dou x plus j dou f by dou y plus k dou f by dou z. So that is equal to I dou by dou x of here f. F is what? So that is 2x plus y plus z square plus j dou by dou y of 2x plus y plus z square plus k dou by dou z of 2x plus y plus z square. So with respect to x, y, z, it is differentiate. So we get the value is grad f. So we find grad f. So that is grad f is equal to I with respect to x. So that is 2 plus with respect to y, that is j, I is 1. So with respect to k plus with respect to z, that is 2zk. Okay, 2z. So that is 2I plus j plus 2zk, or we can write as 2 1 2z like this. So this is both are same. So here given vector is, so given vector, so what the given vector? Given vector n is equal 1 1 1, that is I plus j plus k. So mod n is equal to under root 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square. So unit vector u is equal to n by mod n. So the directional derivative is so what the formula directional derivative is del dot f dot u. So that is here grad f. Grad f is 2I plus j plus 2zk or 2 1 2z like this or like this. So we write as 2 1 2z. So that is 2 1 2z. And u. So u is what here? N by mod n. So here n is equal to what? 1 1 1 and by mod n. Mod n is root 3. So this is the dot product. So that is 2 into 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 2 into z. So that is 2 into 1 2 I plus 1 like that 2 comma 1 into 1 1 comma 2 into z 2 z by root 3. So this is del dot f dot u. So the directional derivative at origin or at the point, so that is equal to plus 1. This can write as 2 plus 1 plus 2z by root 3. Or here you can write. So that is del dot f u is equal to 3 plus 2z. 3 plus 2z by root 3. So part we find at the origin, the directional derivative at the origin. So the directional derivative at the origin, origin means 0 0 0 is, so del dot x dot u. So we substitute in x y z, you put 0 0 0. So del dot f u is equal 3 plus 2z by root 3. So that is equal 3 plus 2 into here z is 0 0 by root 3. That is equal 2 into 0 is 0. So that is 3 by root 3. So 3 is like that written as root 3 into root 3 by root 3. So here 1 root 3 gets cancelled. So that is root 3. So therefore del dot f u is equal root 3. So therefore the directional derivative at the origin is root 3. Therefore directional derivative at the origin is root 3. So this is the our answer. So that is del dot f is equal to root 3. Okay. Next, one more problem. So we try it or I can solve the problem. So find the directional derivative f of x y z is equal x square plus y square plus z square at 1 comma 2 comma 3. This is the point in the direction of the vector. In the direction of the vector, here direction of the vector is given. So that is 2i plus 3j plus 6k. So here directional derivative we can find f. So given the point is 1 2 3 and vector is 2i plus 3j plus 6k. So that is solution. So here f of x y z is equal x square plus y square plus z square. Next, and the point I, the point suppose P, x, y, z is equal 1, 2, 3. And direction vector what we given 2i plus 3j plus 6k. This is the hypothesis from the problem. So first we can find the gradient of scalar point function is grad f, that is I dou f by dou x plus j dou f by dou y plus k dou f by dou z. So that is equal to I dou by dou x of here x is x square plus y square plus z square plus j dou by dou y of x square plus y square plus z square plus k dou by dou z of x square plus y square plus z square. So this is the grad f. So here point is given. What the point is 1, 2, 3. First we find grad f, and at the point 1, 2, 3 we find the grad f. So that is equal to I with respect to x 2x plus j with respect to y 2y plus k with respect to z 2z. So 2xi plus 2yj plus 2zk. This is the grad f. At the point 1, 2, 3, we substitute in place of x, y, z 1, 2, 3. So 2 into 1 I plus 2 into 2 j plus 2 into 3 k. So that is 2I plus 4j plus 6k. So this is the grad f at 1, 2, 3. Next, directional derivative. So unit vector. So what is the unit vector? So that is unit vector u is equal to, so 2i, quotient vector is given what? 2i plus 3j plus 6k plus 6k by 2 square plus 3 square plus 6 square. So that is 2i plus 3j plus 6k by 4 plus 6 plus 36. So this is equal to I plus 3j plus 6k by 49. So that is equal to I plus 3j plus 6k by 7. So this is the unit vector u. But so we find the directional derivative. So directional derivative is grad f dot u. So therefore directional derivative grad f dot u is equal, here what we get, grad f 2i plus 4j plus 6k dot 2i plus 3j plus 6k by 7. This is u. So dot product here, I dot I, j dot j, k dot k is 1, and remaining I dot j are remaining values are 0. So then we get, so 2 into 2 that is 4 plus 4 into 3 12 plus 6 into 6 36 by 7. So that is 52 by 7. This is the, therefore the directional derivative derivative is 52 by 7. So this is our problem. Okay. So we okay. Thank you. One and all.